Mendes. Yn ôl at Smith a'r bas hir, ond mae Jared Wright yno i Pontypridd. Wright, yn taro niwl i'r llawr efo'i Benelli. Mae Mr Pratt, y dyfarnwr, wedi pwyntio'n syth at y smotyn, a mae wedi mynd i'w boced, a melyn fydd hi, ond mae rhaid i cyfadda. Dwi'n credu bod Jared Wright yn ffodus iawn na welodd y gerdyn coch. Venables i roi'r tîm cartra ar y blaen. Chris Venables a'i 10fed gôl y tymor yma ym mhob cystadleuaeth. A mae'r Bala ar y blaen o gôl i ddim. Not yn taro'r gic rydd yn hir ac yn obeithiol. A mae'n disgyn i Clayton Green. A dyna chi gyfle gorau yr ymwelwyr yma ar faes tegid praw yma. Not. Kieran Smith yn dwyn y meddiant ar garlam i hanner Pontypridd yn cael ei lorio. Yn ddisymwth gan Jared Wright. Mae'n gic rydd. Mae'r dyfarnwr yn mynd i bocad. Mae Jared Wright wedi gweld un cerdyn melyn yn barod. Dwi'n yn siŵr os di'r dyfarnwr yn cofio hynny. Dyna fawr y ymdrech gan Wright i chwarae'r bêl yma. Wel, erbyn hyn, mae'r dyfarnwr yn cofio. Coch i Wright. Pontypridd lawr i 10. Mendes. A'r gic cornel, y peniad gan Pete. Morris yn ei gollon ni. Smith i Ergyd o'n cael ei rwystro ar y llinell. Yn ôl allan i Kay ar Ergyd. A mae'n gôl! Nac di. Mae'r dyfarnwr a'i law i fyny. Wel, dwi'n yn siŵr os mai trosedd ar Ashley Morris y golwr oedd hi. Yn ta o'n a gam sefyll o Ergyd Kay. Dwi'n credu mai Ollie Shannon oedd ar y llinell. Ond mi ddim yn cyfri. Smith. Yn ôl at Arson. Arson yn ei chodi hi i mewn i'r cwrt Cosby. Pete a'r peniad ymlaen yn disgyn i Mendes. Mendes i lwybr Pete! A dyna'r ail gôl i'r Bala. Ond mae yna ffrwgwd yn y cwrt 6 wrth i'r Bala ddathlu. Mae Chris Venables yn ei chanol hi. A mae Mr Pratt yn dangos cerdyn coch i David Vincent. Wel, mae Pontypridd ei lawr i 9-1 wrth i'r Bala, the Blue Mantais. A mae yna fwy o ddrama yn fan hyn, achos mae'n rhaid bod Mendes wedi deud rhywbeth wrth y dyfarnwr. Mae o'n mynd i weld ail gerdyn melyn. Pontypridd lawr i 9, y Bala i lawr i 10. Venables. Pontypridd yn llwyddo i glirio. Rhys a'r bel hir. Pete a'r peniad o, mae Harry Lloyd wedi dod allan o'r cwrt Cosby. O, smonach llwyr. A mae Danny Williams wedi bachu gôl i'r ymwelwyr. Danny yn yr eiliadau ola, fydd ddim mwy na gôl gysur. Ond diffyg cyfathrebu rhwng y golwr a'i amddiffyn.
There's elements of the game which I'm frustrated about with some of the decisions. However, when we went down to 10 men, I thought we were the better side. I really did. I thought we were on the front foot. We caused a lot of problems. And I always felt we were in it. I always felt we were going to get the next goal, and it weren't to be in terms of they scored their second one. But again, even after that, we were the better side, and I thought we got a deserved goal, but yeah, just come short again today.
We weren't good today. We lacked quality, we lacked approach, we lacked the desire to go and want to win a game, and not good enough by the standards of what we show on a regular basis. And you know, Pontypridd, I think they've done well and stuff, and yeah, they have done well, but you know, on the standards for Bala Town are not good enough today. There's lads who've come and not put a shift in, but at the end of the day, we should be happy that we're in the next round. There's a lot of teams gone out the cup today, and a lot of teams prior to this round have gone out the cup today.
Probably wasn't the most enjoyable, in fairness, but obviously cup game today, and the results all that matters. So we're obviously very, very pleased that we're through, despite not having actually played too well, to be honest.
It's disappointing for me that we have to come out and speak about decisions in the game, and it's frustrating for me. I know the referee's got a tough job, that he has to make decisions, but consistency in this league has got to be the key thing for all the officials. It is for us. We make mistakes as managers, players make mistakes as players, but officials, I think sometimes have got to have a little bit of ownership with that as well for me.